Welcome to Innovin Foods. Today we are making Laccha Egg Paratha. Crispy flaky layers with spicy egg filling. Perfect for breakfast or a hearty meal. Let's start the recipe. In a bowl add 1 cup flour, half teaspoon salt and 1 tablespoon oil. Mix well. This dish is commonly enjoyed with salad or chutney. Add 1/3 cup water and make a soft dough. Egg paratha became popular as a street food due to its filling nature. Rub some oil on the dough and keep aside for 10 minutes. Resting the dough helps develop soft and flexible layers. Now for the egg mixture. Crack 3 eggs into a bowl. Add 3 tablespoons chopped onion, 2 green chilies, 2 tablespoons tomato, 1 tablespoon coriander leaves, and half teaspoon salt. Mix well. Divide the rested dough into 5 equal portions. Roll out each portion. Spread oil. Sprinkle flour. And place one roti over another. Repeat the process. Layering traps air, making the paratha crisp outside and soft inside. Now fold as shown and cut into pieces. Laccha paratha is known for its flaky layers created by folding and rolling. Roll each piece again to form laccha layers. Heat a pan on medium flame. Place the roti. Use medium heat to avoid burning the egg while cooking. Spread oil. Cook lightly and keep aside. Add 1 tablespoon oil to the pan. Pour some egg mixture. And place the roti over it. Flip. Spread more egg mixture. Place another roti on top. Cook both sides until golden brown and crispy. Eggs are a great source of protein and energy. Homemade paratha uses controlled oil compared to street version. Fresh vegetables add fiber and nutrients. Cooking at medium heat helps retain nutrients. Your Laccha Egg Paratha is crispy, spicy and absolutely satisfying. Serve it hot with salad or sauce of your choice. Try this recipe at home and share your feedback. Follow Innovin Foods for more easy and tasty recipes.